Okay, YouTube, that was a sound test or sound check of the Zard Exhaust by popular request with some of the comments, because I had a little bit of a negative feedback on my update video saying that I didn't start the exhaust, which I didn't, but I was at work, so I can't just start up my bike and start revving it because it'll piss people off. But there you go, there's a sound check. Alrighty, catch you later.